Oh, hello. This is my YouTube. Get your pen and paper. Today will be. Make sure to subscribe. This is Peppa Pig we're drawing today. Balabalbio, balababio, balababio, bio, bio. Okay, we're going to do a curve. And now let's snout. What is this sound? Okay, I'll have to keep the paper still. Naughty recorder, why do you? I'm 1,000. What? Kapow! Pachow! I have to do it and kill this. See what got into the recorder. What? I don't know. Super pow! Okay, let's see what we're getting on with the drawings. Okay, we're going to draw around it now. It's been too long. Ooh, this not can be too long. You're the scientist. Okay, I need a super one. We drew it. Okay, I have to be very careful with that. We're going to do a smile. Peppa Pig is happy. Okay, now we're using pink to color it in. Color, color, color. You know how to spell color? Color is spelled C-O-L-E-R. Hello. Okay. We're almost done. Just have to do the eyes. Stop it. I'm gonna put. Sorry, I have to go to the rubber stamp. Where's that? Look, in the rubber stamp. Not your recorder. Oh, but you're very good. Onto new recorder. Yes, I am very good. None of this and other things. Good. I just want to show the pencil a little. It's so good. Okay. We done the ears. Just do it upside down. You start from the head and then that's how you do it. Yeah. I said we're coloring in the ears now in a piggy way. Now getting purple and doing the cheek. And doing the cheek. Oh, naughty recorder! How did you get out the rubber stamp? The rubber stamp sent me out. Because I was very good. I said you lied. Okay, the rubber stamp that was he's a really naughty recorder, so I have a new one. The socks. And this one is lying. So I think we have to put it in there. Oh, okay. I understand. I had 1,000. Well, I only have one. Okay. Let's go. Okay, back. Now let's see what we're doing. We're coloring in this. Now with red. Color. Can you name things that are red? Okay, let me guess. Or was it strawberries? I love those. That's my favourite. Oh, probably a tomato too. What else is red? Oh yeah, red pens, correct. Okay. And Peppa's dress. And red dress. Your dress, not Peppa's, by the way. Oh, we finished. Good. Okay. Bye-bye. Where's your Peppa? Peppa is spelled P-A-P-A. Okay. Be good for Mommy and Daddy. Don't forget to subscribe.